Once upon a time, in the magical land of Lumina, there was a village where the sun never set and the moon never rose. The villagers, known as Luminians, lived in harmony with the eternal daylight. Their lives revolved around the unique creatures inhabiting the land, the radiant shimmerbirds, the glowing glowworms, and the dazzling starflowers. One day, a young Luminian named Lila stumbled upon a cave hidden deep within the enchanted forest. As she ventured inside, she found an ancient, dusty book lying on a stone pedestal. Curious, she opened the book and read the inscription, "The Tale of the Lost Moon." The story told of an ancient time when Lumina had both day and night, where the moon would rise and cast a silvery glow over the land. But one fateful evening, the moon mysteriously vanished, leaving the villagers with perpetual daylight. Enchanted by the tale, Lila decided to embark on a quest to restore the moon to the skies of Lumina. She asked her friends, a shimmerbird named Sola and a glowworm named Glim, to join her on her journey. Together, they followed the clues from the ancient book, which led them to the peak of Mount Glissendom. There, they found a hidden chamber, which housed a massive, gleaming crystal. The book revealed that this crystal was the key to bringing the moon back to Lumina. Lila, Sola, and Glim worked together to solve the complex puzzle guarding the crystal. They discovered that by combining their unique talents and strengths, they could unlock the secret to restoring the moon. As they placed the crystal on a pedestal and focused their collective energy, the chamber started to tremble. Slowly, the crystal began to rise into the sky, casting a soft, silvery light upon Lumina. The villagers, who had never seen the night before, were captivated by the new, soothing darkness. The starflowers bloomed brighter than ever, and the glowworms and shimmerbirds danced in the moonlit sky. Luminians found a newfound appreciation for the balance between day and night, as it brought serenity and tranquility to their lives. Lila, Sola, and Glim became heroes, and the villagers celebrated their bravery and determination. The friends learned that by working together, they could achieve anything, no matter how impossible it seemed. And so, the moral of this enchanting tale is that when we embrace our differences and unite our strengths, we can achieve great things and bring balance and harmony to the world. Good night, dear children.